Do not travel to Spain, Portugal, Cyprus, Israel, Cuba. D.C. The United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the U.S. State Department on Monday both warned against travel to Spain, Portugal, Cyprus, and Kyrgyzstan because of a rising number of COVID-19 cases in those countries. At the same time, Israel is now categorized Category 3 on the U.S. travel advisory level, the second highest. The Delta variant is spreading out of control in many parts of the world, and warning Americans to travel overseas is not warning the same travelers to continue travel domestically. The CDC raised its travel advisory to level 4, very high for those countries, telling Americans they should avoid travel there, while the State Department issued do not travel advisories. Spain reopened its borders to U.S. tourists in June and has been a popular destination for Americans since then. TAP Air Portugal returns to San Francisco and Chicago may be too early. The CDC on Monday also raised its rating to level 4 for Cuba, while the State Department already had Cuba at the highest do not travel rating. The CDC also raised concerns about the rising number of COVID-19 cases in Israel, the West Bank, and Gaza, lifting its travel health notice by 2 levels to level 3, high, while the State Department rated Israel at level 3, reconsider travel. Israel always had been seen as fully vaccinated and low risk. In June, the CDC had lowered its travel advisory rating for Israel to level 1, low. Scientists in Israel now says Pfizer is less than 40% effective to fully protect vaccinated people from getting the virus. They, however, say being vaccinated will most likely avoid getting hospitalized or worse. The CDC and the State Department also raised Armenia to level 3. The level 3 rating says unvaccinated travelers should avoid non-essential travel to that country and is 1 level below the CDC's most severe travel rating. In June, the CDC eased travel recommendations for more than 110 countries and territories as it revised its methods for travel warnings based on COVID-19 risks.